So when we decided to rear monarchs, we came out to the milkweed. This is their host plant. Monarch adults will eat from a lot of flowers, but they have to lay their eggs on milkweed because that is what their caterpillars eat. So we peeked underneath. We found that there was an egg. We popped the leaf off and we brought it back into the center. And just fun fact, this is called milkweed because when you do break it, it's milky. So the monarch takes this interesting journey. What they'll do is they're hibernating in Mexico, then it starts getting warmer there and they will start flying north. They will lay eggs and they will go through 3 cycles of egg to butterfly before they reach like us and even up a little further. So by the time they get here, they are 4th generation. When the adult emerges, it will somehow instinctively know that it needs to go south, and they just start the journey. So this 4th generation will actually fly all the way back down to Mexico.
So we brought the leaves with the eggs back here, put them in cups with water, and got a lot more milkweed because those caterpillars grow really fast, and the way they grow really fast is by eating a ton.
It goes through instars, so it'll kind of shed its skin, and I've read that it also can eat it for the nutrients, and then grow and go through those few cycles before it gets big enough where it is ready to pupate or make its chrysalis.
They start out very green, and throughout their process of turning into a butterfly get more translucent as time goes on. And then you know that they're going to come out of their chrysalis when it is almost totally translucent and you can see the wings and a little bit of the color of the wings through the chrysalis. And you can see here how translucent the chrysalis was right before she popped out. If you look closely, you can see her mouth moving, and that's her putting together her proboscis, which is the straw they use to suck out nectar from flowers. And also she's drying her wings, which were a minute ago crumpled up in a chrysalis, and now they are free. She's using fluid from her thorax, which is her body, to pump it into the wings to make sure they get all stretched out and flat. We make sure they have nectar that they can eat and get fat and ready for a 2,000-mile migration to the Oriole forest of Mexico. Most important part is to have them have somewhere to hang on to so that they can dry their wings. And this space gives them air to practice fluttering around in.
And then we also tag the butterfly. And what happens is as they make their journey, some make it down, some don't make it all the way down. And what we do is we hold their wings and we put a tag.
Is it okay if it's upside down?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. And what happens is at any point that anyone finds the wing with the tag or the tag, they can go online and report that they found it. It has a certain code to it. And we can find out, hopefully, how far they made it, or if they made it, and where they were found. And this one is this is our girl. She's a female. And we can tell because the males right here would have a little black dot.